Financial modeling training. How long does it take to learn financial modeling? Financial modeling training can be acquired in several different ways: through a training program at a financial institution or banks, through an internet course, at university, or with experience on duty. When you have actually been finished in financing and also began your own firm, you will certainly need the financial modeling training at the beginning if you want to have a great setup with all things aligned and also ideal records of all points. It practically takes 20 to 1 month to complete a program, and also its learning is dependent upon you. To learn financial modeling as well as for constructing strong muscle memory in financial modeling, you can play with key skill set instructional video games that consist of greater than 200 faster ways and over 70 formulas. Discover as well as do all at the same time, accumulate congratulations, and see your mind efficiency rating increasing with key skill set. Financial modeling training is necessary to comprehend the motorists and the effects of organization choices. About financial modeling certification. Development financial modeling training certification gives you the skills and also self-confidence you required to take your career to the next level. By having expertise in developing a financial modeling qualification, you will certainly open on your own up to a wide range of job choices in investment financial, equity research, fixed revenue research study, credit rating score as well as threat management. The goals of this development financial modeling accreditation are to boost participants' economic preparation abilities and Excel modeling skills so that they end up being more efficient managers. Significance of financial modeling in 2020. Financial modeling acts as an important device that allows service ideas as well as dangers to be approximated in a cost-efficient means. Financial modeling is an action of producing appealing representations of a monetary scenario of a firm. Financial modeling is the procedure of creating a summary of a business's expenditures as well as revenues in the form of a spreadsheet that can be utilized to calculate the impact of a future event or choice. An economic version has lots of uses for company execs. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for a financial modeling certification course in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best financial modeling exam preparation course. This certification training offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. Financial modeling exam result and pass percentage in Zabeel Institute is very high, which is increasing day by day under the constant support and guidance from the instructor. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for the financial modeling course every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. For further information, please contact phone 00971 4 3974 WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/